Wipe the laser scanning module. Wipe the sensor lens and the anti-collision bumper. Wipe the charging contacts. Remove the dustbin and take out the trash. Clean the filter sponge, filter, and filter net. Remove and clean the side brush and slots. Pull the release button towards each other. Take off the main brush cover, and remove the main brush. Clean the main brush and wipe down the main brush compartment. Clean the universal wheel. Clean the anti-drop sensors. Clean the driving wheels and wipe the treads. Then install the main brush and main brush cover. The operation guide ends here. Thank you for watching. You can also click on the help section in the app settings to watch more tutorial videos.